Welcome, welcome, welcome. Welcome back to another edition of Juicing with Jay. I got the sun setting in the west. But today I'm here to do a harvest of these zucchinis or squash. They are humongous. Guys, it's one. Here's two. Woo! There's three. And then there's two more on there that are a little bit small, but I'll let them grow a little bit. But guys, this is one seed. Look at that. Easily 3 different meals off of this. I'm gonna gift one to my neighbor, and we're gonna eat the other 2. You know the motto on the page: each one teach one. Juicing with Jay, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace.